here to answer all your midday prayers. You got me bona fide, certified. Got a genie for your charge d'affaires. I got a powerful urge to help you out. So what you wish? I really wanna know. You got a list that's 3 months long, no doubt. All you gotta do is rub like slow. Mr. Aladdin, yes, 1 wish or 2 or 3. Well, I'm on the job. See what's happening.
I get what?
And they don't have a clue.
Who's they?
They'll fall in love. And here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2.
Oh, I get it.
The sweet caress of twilight.
Yeah,
There's magic everywhere.
it's everywhere.
And with all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air.
Peace the evening brings, the world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. So many things to tell her, but how to make her see the truth about my past? Impossible. She turned away from me. He's holding back, he's hiding. But what? I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is? The king I see inside. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. Can you feel the love tonight? You needn't look too far. Stealing through the night's uncertainties, love is where they are.
And if he falls in love tonight, it can be soon. His carefree days with us are history. In short, our path is doomed. Here I go. Woo! Back up. Watch out. You done wound me up. To show you what I'm working with. We pride ourselves on service. You the boss, the king, the shine. Say what you wish, it's yours to dish. About a little more vodka fine. Have some of column A, try all of column B. I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me. Oh, it's the big part. Watch out. It's the big part. Oh, can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends do this? Can your friends go? I'm king of the land. If you give me a chance, oh, don't sit there bugging out. I'm here to answer all your midday prayers. undefeated, certified. Got a genie for your shards of